major part of what is going on out here tonight. Interesting, Maria's just sat under a little chair on the court. Serena's been quite keen to get off. I think it was a shame that it stopped then, because I just felt Sharapova was getting closer.
Serena being called back out onto Rod Laver Arena, so we'll take a quick break. So that's Serena making her way back out, and you can hear the coughing of the flu that's bugged her throughout this tournament, and that's a heavy chest cold that she's got.
And actually, she hasn't made a drama of it at all, really, but it's just there, isn't it? She would love to have hidden it, but she can't.